Cześć! O, mam tam coś, ale Wam nie pokażę na razie. Dzisiaj, z okazji Dnia Kota, muszę się z Wami podzielić jedną z moich najbardziej ulubionych książek. I będziemy ją czytać razem z moim kotkiem. Kajusia uwielbia koty, right? What's your favorite animal?
Cat and dog.
Cat and dog, yes. I będziemy dzisiaj czytać Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons. And it's written by Eric Eltwin and created by James Dean. James Dean to jest osoba, która stworzyła tego kota. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful,
Groovy buttons.
He loved his buttons so
Much.
He sang this
Song. My buttons,
my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Oh, pop, 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 pop. Oh,
No.
one of the buttons
Pop on the road
popped
away.
off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many? How
Zero.
many?
Zero.
Is it 0?
Yes.
No. How many? 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry?
My goodness, no. And buttons come and buttons go.
He kept on.
And singing and
His
song.
My buttons, my buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop, 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 pop. Oh,
No.
another button popped off and
Throw
away.
away.
How many buttons?
All left. And
How many? 2. Did Pete cry?
My goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go.
He kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my buttons, my
My
mom.
2
groovy
groovy
buttons.
buttons. My buttons, my
my
buttons,
my
my 2
four
groovy
groovy
buttons.
buttons.
2 groovy buttons. Oh. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, no. Another button popped off and rolled away.
How many
buttons are left?
One.
Did Pete cry?
My goodness, no.
Buttons
Come
and
and
buttons go. He kept on singing his
song.
my button,
And
my
my
button, my 1 groovy button, my button, my button, my 1 groovy button. Pop, 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 pop. Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
Buttons come
and buttons go.
Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw?
Belly button.
His belly button, and he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry?
Goodness, no.
Goodness no, we kept on singing. Buttons come and buttons
go.
Mam nadzieję, że podobała Wam się nasza książeczka, jedna z ulubionych, Pete the Cat. Jest cała seria. Możecie znaleźć na YouTubie wiele filmików właśnie z Pete'em the Catem. Są naprawdę świetne, więc bardzo je polecamy. My je uwielbiamy, prawda?
Miau.
Miau. Okej, to żegnamy się jak kotki.
Miau.
Biał, biał. Miau, miau.
Meow.
Meow, 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 meow. See you again.
Meow.
Bye.
Mama.